2 years ago, a friend told me, get a plant, give it a try. That was it. No reason, no explanation. So I did. I thought I was trying something new. I didn't know it would teach me something about love. It doesn't ask for much. A little mist, a couple of cups of water every few days. Nothing extraordinary, just consistency. And somewhere along the way, I realized I wasn't just taking care of plant. I was learning how love works. Ignore it for too long and it slowly begins to fade. But give it too much and it struggles to survive. Love is the same. Too little attention creates distance. Too much can leave no room to breathe. The people who will stay in our lives don't need perfection, they just need consistency. Maybe that's why in this loud, fast moving world, we forget that the things we love don't disappear all at once. They fade slowly. Not because we stop loving, but because we stop showing up. So if life ever feels too busy, get a plant, give it a try.